Hello friends, hope you all are doing great. Thasin here. In today's session, we are going to learn how to create a new website, that to e-commerce website. So far, we were discussing in the previous sessions regarding how the basics, how to use WordPress website and how to install XAMPP and also WordPress in our local host. So XAMPP is nothing but XAMPP is needed actually because without XAMPP, we cannot have a local host website in our computer. And also, I'm going to teach you how to transfer our local host website into a live one. Actually, I mean to say live in the sense in the internet. So stay tuned with me so that you can learn a lot many more things. And in today's session, actually, if you have attended, you know actually already I have told you how to create a website. In a sense, I mean to say actually how to have a local host website. So let me create one more today. Actually, so far we were using WStore, and today all I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on this WordPress which we have installed. If you are not aware of all this, actually, if you want to learn how to have a WordPress, actually how to install, you can just go and have a look on the previous sessions. So let me just fast get into WordPress, and actually I want to have a new one. If you have already the WordPress dashboard, it's fine. Actually, you can start from there, but actually here I'm going to just click on this right click here, WordPress, and I'm going to copy this. So I have copied this, and actually I'll just get into XAMPP, and here you have something called HD docs where we are going to right click and we are going to paste it over here. So this is our HD docs folder. So I'm going to what is it called, actually here I'm going to paste that. So already we have something called store, so all those I have created actually before all this website. So website whichever you want to create, all you have to do is you have to right click on the WordPress, you have to copy it, and you have to come to the XAMPP file, and you have to save it in HD docs. So this is the procedure actually what we usually do. So today I'm going to make it fast so that you can know how really it works. So it is getting copied over here. So let me actually let it get copied. Once it's finished, you can have your own name, whichever name you want to save it, you can save it in that name. So 97, 98, 99, so 100% it is completed. So here you can see WordPress. So I'm just going to right click and I'm going to rename this. I'll just name this as actually W1. So this is my website name, or else actually not W1, I can name it as actually Thasin. So you can have it actually any name for your website, so that actually I have just actually for my reference I have kept here Thasin. So now it has got saved over here. So here is that. So here is the one. So the entire section whatever we copied from there, it has come over here. So nothing to do here. So all we have to do is just close it. If you have a fresh dashboard, actually you can have that. If you are using any live host, actually if you have got from your from any what is it called, actually hosting from any paid one, you can have it. So I'm just going to type here localhost slash, what is the name of my website? Nothing but Thasin, Thasin. So here you can see localhost slash Thasin. Once I type here, so this is how the WordPress setup configuration will open for me. So before getting into all this process, all I have to do is just open a new tab, and here I have to type here local host slash php myadmin, so that I can create a new database for this. So far we were discussing about all the basics of the WordPress. In today's session, we are going to start a new website where we are going to have the plugins for the e-commerce website actually. So localhost php myadmin, if you have attended my previous session, you will know this. Actually, if you have not attended, let me tell you, in localhost, if you want to create a website, you have to create a database. So that is why we are just here entering localhost slash php myadmin. So here you can see something called database. Just click on that database and you have to create a database. So here I have to give the database name. Here I'm going to give here as Thasin. You can give any name for your database. I'm just going to click here create. So the database has been created. So nothing to do here. All you have to do is once you click on database and you have given your database name, just click on create. It will automatically create your database. So just close this and here runs actually localhost /Thasin. Once you open this, so this will be the how it will appear here. So I'm just going to click on continue, and after continuing it, actually I'll just click on let's go. So here it is asking me the WordPress name, database name. Actually I have given the database name as Thasin. Database is nothing but where all your website storage actually will be connected to. So all your gallery, your photos, your content, everything will be stored in the database. So username will be always in the local host, it will be root, and the password will be blank actually. So here nothing to do with other things, actually just click on submit. So run the installation, I'll click, and the new WordPress website will be installed in our local host. So it is asking me the site title. Actually I'll just type here my store. Okay, so that is the name of the store actually what I want to keep, and it is asking me actually the username and password. I have given a username and password. It will just telling me it is a weak one actually, but it's in local host, so I'll give actually let it be a weak password. I will give an email ID here, and no need to click here actually, as I told you before, search engine visibility. If you tick mark this, actually it won't come in the Google search, so I actually just don't disturb all that, and just click on install WordPress. So friends, so far actually you know how to have a WordPress in our local host. Actually once you do this, actually you will the WordPress will get installed. What I mean to say, actually website will get installed in your local host. And one more thing I want to tell you, actually if you have the paid version, actually if you have got the hosting from the paid one, actually you can also continue from watching from here actually, so that it will be clear for you. So it will ask me the email address and the password which I gave right now, actually the username. So I'm going to keep it as Thasin, and I'm going to keep it as actually my password. So if you click on this username and password, now let's see. So friends, now we have got actually a new WordPress website where we are going to work and install the WooCommerce. Actually this is a new one where we are going to, this is a new website. I mean to say, this is a Thasin localhost /Thasin /WP admin. So this is my WordPress site, and I'm going to, this is my store. I just click on visit site, and now you can see this is how my website looks like now. In the next session, actually I'm going to show you how to have WooCommerce plugin actually, and also many more plugins actually, using that how to have all the categories, and also actually the tools related to the e-commerce website. So stay tuned with me, and using this what is it called, actually this localhost website, I'm going to show you how to create it. So follow me in the next session to learn more about this WooCommerce. Hope you all have enjoyed today's session. Actually take care, bye bye.